Well, hey there, my name is Jeff. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Today, I want to teach you 8 stock market hacks that I think are really going to help you to decide whether a stock makes sense. So, let's get started. Number 1, do you understand the company? It's the simplest question you can ask, but are you a customer? Do you know this company well? Do you understand their products and their services? Make sure that you're not just buying a stock because somebody talked about it or you read a story online or the price is going up. Do you understand it? That's going to rule out a lot of companies. Number 2, does the company have a moat? That means, does it have a durable competitive advantage? Something solid and strong and really unique to this company. Does it do something very special or sell a product that nobody else can sell or deliver it in a way that nobody else can? And this is going to keep the competition away, and it's going to really ensure that this company is going to survive and it's going to be profitable for years into the future. Hack number 3, does the management have talent and integrity? If they don't, forget about it. Just keep on moving, look for another company. You can watch YouTube videos, you can read articles online, interviews with the CEO, whatever you have to do. Learn about the people who are running the company and decide for yourself. Do you have a good gut feeling that they're being straightforward with you and they're running the company well? If you have any second doubts or questions or you're not sure about it, move on. It makes no sense to invest in a company if you don't like the people who are managing it. Number 4, you only want to buy a stock if it's selling at a price that makes sense. Don't ever pay too much for a stock, okay? And you know, it's very hard to know exactly what the price should be when you buy, but you really want to make sure that you don't pay an infinite price for a stock, because no company, no matter how great it is worth an infinite price. So you need to get it at kind of a low price, like after the stock has declined a bit, and so that if you're a little bit off in your reasoning or in your math, you're not going to lose a lot of money. So make sure you buy the stock at a price that makes sense. Hack number 5 is, imagine that when you're born, you were given a punch card with 20 holes that you can punch in this punch card, and each hole represents a stock that you can invest in. And so if you think about it this way, you're going to be a lot more patient and take your time in making sure you understand a company before you invest in it. And I think if you really approach investing this way, you're going to have much better returns over your investing lifetime. Hack number 6, don't buy a stock after a big run-up in price, okay? Just because the stock's been going up and up and up and up and everybody's talking about it and it's a really hot stock does not mean you need to buy that stock. If you really love the company and it has a moat and you respect the management, they have talent, etc., then wait for the stock price to decline. You know, there's a good chance that something could happen with the economy or the stock market and prices will come back down. Just don't buy it after it's just gone up a lot. Hack number 7, be prepared for market declines. You never know when they're going to happen, but you want to have cash on hand that you can use to buy stocks when they go on sale and they're really cheap. Perfectly good investors make the mistake of being fully invested at the top, but then when markets crash, they have nothing left to reinvest. They have to sell stuff just to raise money to buy stuff. So keep a good cash cushion, use it to be prepared for market declines. And number 8, let your winners run. And that just means if you have a stock in a company and you believe in that company and you understand it and it's doing well, don't sell it just to lock in some gains. Don't be fearful that something's going to change unless there has been some significant change in the company or in the management that changes your understanding and your view. Just let your winners run. Some of the biggest mistakes that very good investors make is they sell stocks for whatever reason and then they regret it because they see that stock just go up and up and up and up over time and they say, I should never have sold that stock. So let your winners run. So I hope these 8 hacks have been super useful for you. I'm putting them in the description below so you can check them out there. And if you feel like you'd like to know a little bit more about any of the hacks, please put them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon, and that way when I make a new video, you will get a reminder and you'll know to come on over and check it out. I've written a book. It's called Stock Market Intelligence. I'm putting a link to it. You can get the Kindle version or the paperback at Amazon. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.